Bozilla introduces you to the reimagination of tools for efficient, clean manufacturing. Is your tool fouled? Do you want to bring a tool back to life? Make a tool more efficient? Reduce your CO2 footprint now. Bozilla uses cutting-edge techniques developed over the span of 21 years in the injection molding industry to determine whether a tool can be brought back to life in its most efficient state. Some ways this is accomplished include instrumenting a tool to properly measure its health, developing appropriate metrics to monitor the health of a tool, optimizing pump efficiency through cooling circuits, reducing cycle times with efficient cooling lines, matching a tool with an injection molding machine, improving temperature control, minimizing process variation, creating less CO2, and recapturing costs from tools that have been shelved or sidelined. Get lean and green now by following this process. Step 1. Provide the tool information, including CAD drawings, 3D part and tool drawings, machine process settings, current tool status, and all pertinent information about the tool. Step 2. Bozilla investigates all areas of inefficiency, then outlines suggestions and provides a proposal. Step 3. Each issue is identified and suggested changes are offered to create an efficient, lean running tool. Take a step toward a cleaner planet today by creating more efficient tools. Contact Bozilla Corporation and let's get started. www.bozillacorp.com 800-942-0742